friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Welcome to the new series on chapter profit loss from class 7 additional mathematics. And here in this video I am going to solve question number 13 from the same chapter number 12 from additional mathematics. In my previous videos already we have uploaded the previous questions from this chapter, and please visit my previous uploaded video and get the solution from question number 1 to question number 12 one by one. Now let's start this video. A woman bought 50,000 eggs at rate 6 rupees 40 paise 8 dozen. Look here, he bought total 50 dozen eggs, but the cost price of a dozen eggs is 6 rupees 40 paise. So here 1 dozen, this is the cost price. 1 dozen eggs cost him rupees 6 rupees 40 paise. She bought 50 dozen eggs. For 50 dozen eggs, the value will multiply with this dozen value. 50 dozen is 6.40 into 50, which is equal to 320 rupees. This is 320 rupees. This is the cost price of 50 dozen eggs. Look here, this is the cost price of 50 dozen eggs. Then the next sentence, out of these 20 eggs were found to be broken. From these 50 dozen eggs, 20 eggs were found to be broken. 20 eggs are lost because these are broken. 20 eggs cannot be sold. So the remaining eggs amount, she sold the remaining eggs at 55 paise per egg. Remaining eggs, first count total eggs and the lost egg and find out the remaining eggs. So look here, 1 dozen eggs means 12 eggs. There are 50 dozen eggs, so 50 dozen eggs will be 50 into 12 is equal to 600 eggs. 600 eggs, so total egg is 600 eggs. And 20 eggs cannot be sold because these are broken. So the remaining eggs, this is 600 minus 20, this is 580 eggs. Now the woman will sell 580 eggs. Okay, she sold the remaining eggs, means this is 580 eggs, this is 580 eggs at 55 paise per egg. So 1 egg is equal to 55 paise. This is selling price. So for 580 egg, this is 580 into 55, this is rupees 319. This is the selling price. For 580 egg, selling price is rupees 319. And now question, find her gain or loss percentage. So this is the CP and this is the SP. Now find out whether there is a loss or there is a gain and find its percentage. In these questions, each sentence carries clue to solve these questions bit by bit. In our first sentence, a woman bought 50 dozen eggs at rupees 6 40 paise 8 dozen. 6 rupees 40 paise 8 dozen. So 1 dozen eggs cost him 6 rupees 40 paise. For 50 dozen eggs, the cost price will be 6.40 into 50, which is equal to 320 rupees. It is the cost price of 50 dozen eggs. But there are 20 eggs are broken. So you cannot be sold. The woman cannot sell it. So for the remaining eggs, she will count the selling price. She will count the selling price for his profit or loss. So first find out the amount of remaining eggs, the number of remaining eggs. Here 1 dozen carries 12 eggs. So that 50 dozen will carry 50 into 12, which is equal to 600 eggs. And the remaining eggs will be 600 minus 20. This 20 is the broken eggs. These 20 eggs were found to be broken. Questions given to us, there are 20 eggs are broken. So this 20 is the broken eggs and 600 is the total eggs bought by this woman, and the remaining egg is 580 eggs. Now she sold the remaining eggs at 55 paise per egg. So one egg, sale price of one egg is 55 paise. So for 580 egg, the selling price will be 580 into 55 paise. This is rupees 319. Now look here, this is the CP and this is the SP. Here CP is greater than SP. 320 is greater than 319. So here CP is greater than SP. So there is a loss. Loss is CP minus SP. So it is equal to 320 minus 319. This is rupees 1. This is 1 rupees. And then find out the percentage. Questions was to find out the percentage. So L percentage will be L upon CP into 100, which is equal to 1 upon 320 into 100. 0 0 cancelled by 2. This is 5 and this is 16. This is 5 by 16 percentage loss. 5 by 16 percentage loss. Again I repeat it. 1 dozen eggs cost the woman 6 rupees 40 paise, and for 50 dozen eggs cost him 6.40 into 50, which is equal to rupees 320 rupees, the cost price of the 50 dozen eggs. And from these eggs 20 eggs are broken, so the remaining eggs will be 1 dozen carries 12 eggs, so that 50 dozen carries 50 into 12, this is 600 eggs, and the remaining eggs will be 600 minus the broken eggs number. This is 20 numbers of broken eggs, where there are 580 eggs to be sold, to be sold. So now selling price, the remaining eggs at 55 paise per egg. So one egg, selling price of one egg is 55 paise. So for 580 eggs, the selling price will be 319 rupees. Here CP is greater than SP. 320 is greater than 319. So there will be a loss. Loss amount is rupees 1 rupees. And the loss percentage will be L by CP into 100. This is 1 by 320 into 100. And there is a loss of 5 by 16 percentage in these questions after selling these eggs by this woman. Thank you. In my next video, we will upload question number 14 and its solution from this chapter, profit and loss. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.